If you want to link or unlink your Facebook account with Temu, I'm gonna show you how to do it. First, open the Temu app on your mobile device. Then tap on your profile icon. After that, tap on the settings gear icon in the top right corner. Then go to account security. Here you have the options to link third-party accounts, for example Google or Facebook. Let's link Facebook first by tapping on link. If you have Facebook installed on your phone, it's going to happen automatically if you tap on this blue button right here. Your Facebook account will be connected or binded like this. And if you want to unbind it, usually you would just open the Facebook app, tap on the three lines hamburger icon in the top left corner, scroll down and tap on settings and privacy. Then tap on settings right here. Scroll all the way down until you see apps and websites. Tap on it and here you can see all the websites and apps connected to your Facebook. Just tap on Temu and on top you can just remove it. If you now go back and open your Temu app, go to account security, you can still see that the Facebook app is still linked to your Temu account. To fix it and finally unlink your Facebook account, you need to go back to the settings and then tap on contact us. It means we must contact the customer service to unbind or unlink your Facebook account. So just ask the AI to unlink or unbind your Facebook account and it's going to guide you through the process, and just tap and go and follow the process. In the end, you're going to finally unlink your Facebook account. Thanks for watching.